Trump the Nobel Peace Prize medal is absurd, say Norwegian politician. Political leaders in Norway have condemned the Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado's absurd decision to present her Nobel Peace Prize medal to Donald Trump, accusing the US president of being a classic show off who takes credit for other people's work. The Nobel laureate gave her medal to Trump at the White House on Thursday in recognition of his unique commitment to our freedom. Several hours later, Trump wrote on Truth Social that Machado presented me with her Nobel Peace Prize for the work I have done. Such a wonderful gesture of mutual respect. The Nobel Peace Center said on social media that a medal can change owners, but the title of a Nobel Peace Prize laureate cannot. The organizer of the prize, the Norwegian Nobel Institute, had already said the prize cannot be revoked, shared, or transferred. When Machado first revealed her plan, a sentiment reiterated by the Institute on Friday, when Machado was awarded the prize in Oslo last month after making a dramatic secret journey from Venezuela, the Nobel Committee celebrated her long struggle for democracy against Nicolas Maduro's brutal authoritarian state. Since then, Trump has invaded Venezuela and removed Maduro, handing power to Venezuela's Vice President Delcy Rodriguez. Christie Burgasto, the leader of Norway's Socialist Party and its foreign policy spokesperson, said, "This is above all absurd. The peace prize cannot be given away." Trump's recent threats to invade Greenland, she said, demonstrated why he was not a worthy recipient. Trump will no doubt claim that he has now received it, but it cannot be transferred, and Trump's repeated threats toward Greenland clearly demonstrate why it would have been madness to award him the prize, Burgasto said. Raymond Johnson, the Labour former governing mayor of Oslo, who is now Secretary General of Norwegian People's Aid, said the situation was unbelievably embarrassing and damaging. He said Machado's actions could damage the reputation of the Nobel Peace Prize and the Nobel Committee. This is unbelievably embarrassing and damaging to one of the world's most recognized and important prizes. The awarding of the prize is now so politicized and potentially dangerous that it could easily legitimize an anti-peace prize development. The Norwegian Foreign Ministry declined to comment, saying the prize was independent of the Norwegian government and referred instead of to the Norwegian Nobel Committee, which didn't immediately respond to request for comment. A photograph shared by the White House showed the US President with the gift displayed in a large gold frame, alongside a text that read, "Presented as a personal symbol of gratitude on behalf of the Venezuelan people in recognition of President Trump's principled and decisive action to secure a free Venezuela." After leaving the White House, Machado spoke to supporters gathered at the gates outside, telling them in Spanish, according to the Associated Press, "We count on President Trump. I presented the President of the United States the Medal of the Nobel Peace Prize," Machado later told journalists in English, calling it a recognition for his unique commitment with our freedom.